How to buy Robin, the Robin token. So before we start, this is not a financial advice. I am not a professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. So first of all, make sure to visit or check the X account. As you can see, they have a big community there. Just go and check and keep following their updates about this token. Now, to be able to buy this token is available on the screener. If you don't have an account on it, just go and create one. As you can see, this token is increased by 9,000% in the last 24 hours. And the last 5 minutes, it's increased by 14%. So the liquidity here, it's 100% locked. That means your investment in a safe place. Now, let's go. The next step. So this token is under Solana network, as you can see. Now copy the token address, and the best choice to buy this kind of tokens is by using the Phantom wallet. Let's go and open it. Now click on swap and make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now click here and paste the token address. As you can see, this is our Robin token. Just click on it. Now here, ensure how much you want to buy. Now this is how much you will receive. Now after that, select your provider from here, for example Jupiter. Now here, read all of this info from here. Now after that, click on swap and you will be able to redirect it to Jupiter provider to be able to complete the buy process for that token. If you face any issues, just go back to this page and here switch the slip hash from here and you will be able to buy this token without any issues. So this is how to buy the Robin token. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next videos.